Hello, good morning. This is Mami Alona in my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Share ko lang po sa inyo because I'm already 68 years old, guys. And you know what makes me strong is I always got sick lately. And somebody told me to drink these smoothies. So I tried it once and then nasira yung blender ko, guys. So my eldest granny girl Hershey's gave me this blender because she asked me what I wanted for Christmas, so I make it as a wish. So here it is, guys. Share ko lang sa inyo, maybe this can help also those seniors like me. And you know, guys, kung gaano kasarap ito, ginawa ko lang to, guys, because it was teach to me by my sister para i-regain yung aking health before na I was hospitalized for almost a month. Then I came weak because nagkulang ako sa potassium and whatever na mga kulang ko nutrients. So yung tinry ko nga to, guys, and ang bilis na nung balik agad yung aking lakas. And for those people na may katulad ko na tumatanda na maybe maski wala kayong sakit, kasi pang-cleanse din to ng kidneys at the same time. Eto, guys, nilagyan ko lang ng konting water. Tapos yung ang ginamit ko, guys, dito is, hindi ko na pinakita sa inyo. Celery to, guys, apple and carrots. So nag-over pa rin yung carrots. Parang siya pa rin yung lumabas yung kulay. That's why it's quite a little bit green. Alam mo, guys, you're gonna drink this if you can drink it 2 times a day or once a day, it's better. Kasi dati talaga, ewan ko, even though I take vitamins, iba pa rin. So I stopped this, pero parang iba na akin naging pakiramdam. Or I also tried malunggay, the superfood. Pero ganun pa rin. But this time, ibinili ko na ito, guys. Kasi alam ko, it helps me a lot. Kaya, guys, ito, nagbe-blend ako nito, guys. Ayan, i-blend mo lang siya. Ayan, ganun lang naman, guys, kabilis eh. Yung tawag doon, pag na-blend mo na siya na all together, kasi this time, dati sinasala ko pa, pero this time medyo napipino ko ng husto. So, yun nga, inumin ko siya once a day. Kaya lang medyo a little bit pricey ngayon ang mga ingredients nito. Especially yung celery. Medyo kamahalan talaga, guys. But we have to sacrifice for the sake of our health. Kaya I advise other seniors, strong pa kayo, you take this. Kasi ako, late ko lang nalaman, sana ay nung pa uminom na ako nito para hindi ako nagkaroon ng mga kung ano-ano mga karamdaman. That's why, guys, I encourage all of you, especially those naka-age ko. Kasi I'm turning 69. Mami Alona is turning 69 very, very soon. On August, guys. August 16. O, baka naman. May mabait dyan. Bigyan ako ng gift. No, joke lang po yun. Joke lang. Pero pwede rin yung tutuhanin. Sorry guys Thank you so much sa aking mga subscribers, and I really appreciate all my subscribers. So keep watching my videos here in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Talaga appreciated ko much. Kasi alam nyo, guys, to be honest enough, kaya naman ako nag-YouTube. Kasi I don't wanna be idle naman. For myself, opinion. So that I can, YouTube might pay me. But eventually, hindi ko pa na-reach yung watch hours nila. Pero sa subscribers, I'm very, very thankful. Kasi meron akong 1,000 plus na, 1,715 subscribers. And I'm very, very thankful to all of you. Talagang huwag kayong aalis sa YouTube channel ko, guys. Talaga naman, it can help me. Kasi alam niyo naman ako, I'm not popular, I'm not an artist, I'm not a celebrity, I'm not a great vlogger. Ano lang po ako, isang amateur lang po. So, your views may count so much for me and it can help naman. Sana, guys, mamonetize na ako, much na mamayos-ayos para naman, guys, makapagawa pa ako ng more videos. Some later, guys, gagawa uli ako ng videos ko para maituro ko sa inyo other tips para sa ating mga oldies but goodies. And kung mga nanonood man nito is mas younger sa akin, why don't you try doing it to your parents? Para kung gusto nyo pa silang makitang strong, you should do this for them. Diba? Kasi, alam mo naman ang parents natin, they sacrifice too much for our future. So, suklian naman natin, guys. Kasi ako, thankful ako because my children do that to me. Kaya nasasabi ko yung guys. And I promise you guys, God is so good. Children who help, protect, and love their parents have the greatest blessings in this world. Believe me, guys, at my age of 69, or running 69, sa palagay nyo guys, do I have to lie pa? Diba hindi? Sinishare ko to para sa atin lahat. Sana naman gawin nyo rin sa parents nyo yan. Kasi ako, I'm thankful kasi my 3 children, my 3 boys is so supportive of me. And I thank God for that. Kasi sabi ko nga, sa biyaya ng Panginoon. At pray pa rin tayo guys. Saka, alam mo naman, pag mga oldies medyo hard-headed na, yung mga bawal yung para nang kinakain. So, I suggest, sana guys, may napulot kayo kahit konti dito sa aking video. And very simple lang to guys. Mineral water lang. Basta alam nyo naman kung paano nyo natansyahin. And then, celery, about 1/4 kilo. And about 1/4 na carrots and 1/4 na apple. Yun lang guys, magsama-samahin mo lalagay. Very basic na, hindi naman kailangan isa-isahin pa. So, the way I talk, maiintindihan nyo naman siguro yan. Kasi alam ko, all these and seniors are intelligent na kasi sa pinagdaan ng experiences in life. At saka most of seniors talaga na we strive hard for our children. Kaya kayo children, mahalin nyo yung parents ninyo. Don't take them for granted. Especially yung mga bata-bata pa ngayon. Alam nyo ba kung gaano nagsasacrifice ang parents nyo para sa inyo? Kasi no parents is happy seeing their children na naghihirap. Siyempre, mas nakikita lang magandang buhay. Mas settled ang isip nila. Diba guys? Pasensya na, nagsasermon si Mami A. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel and sa mga subscribers. Very thankful ako sa inyong lahat. Kasi despite that, yung aking YouTube channel, mas dumadami pa yung aking subscribers. And soon, gagawa rin ako ng mga videos na talagang mas pakipakinabang sa ating lahat. Pasensya na guys, kasi all this na si Mami and all I need is your support at saka views nyo para naman guys, madagdagan na yung monetization ko. And that's all for the day. God bless sa aking YouTube family, mga hindi ko subscribers ko. Thank you so much. Talagang bless ako to help all of you. Ma-foreigner man siya, ma-Pilipino man siya, and all over the world. Kung maabot to guys. So I'm thankful with YouTube. Kasi I'm very thankful with YouTube family. Lalo na yung YouTube kasi YouTube always recommends my videos. Kaya thank you talaga YouTube. Thank you talaga. And I will do everything I can para makagawa pa ako ng pwede kong ituro sa aking mga kapwa seniors. And that's all for the day. Have a safe day everyone. Stay healthy. This is Mami Alona. Don't forget to subscribe. Please. Thank you. Support all this naman guys. Wag laman yung iba. Give us a chance also. Okay, bye. See you on my next video. God bless everyone. And I pray to God na lahat tayo healthy. Bye!